Have you ever tried to make your Shiny app more interactive, only to hit a wall? It can be really frustrating when you want to click on a map and have it update your plot automatically. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to solve that problem together. I totally get it. You want your app to respond to user clicks on a leaflet map, and it can feel like a daunting task. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when trying to enhance their Shiny applications. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to click on a point on a leaflet map to change a plot according to the selected station and also update the sidebar input. They want to know if this is possible with Leaflet, especially since they've already invested time into it. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what's the challenge here? The goal is to make your Shiny app interactive by allowing users to click on a map point, which should then update both the plot and the sidebar input. This requires some reactive programming in Shiny, and we can definitely achieve it with Leaflet. And don't go anywhere. I have a fantastic example at the end that will show you exactly how to implement this functionality in your own app. To enable clicking on a point in the leaflet map to update the plot, the user should first ensure that the leaflet map is set up to recognize clicks. This can be done by adding an event listener for click events on the map. Next, the user needs to update the sidebar input based on the clicked station. This can be achieved by using the Update Select Input function within the event listener. After updating the sidebar, the user should ensure that the plot reflects the selected station. This means the reactive data subset must be updated based on the selected station from the sidebar. Finally, the user should test the application to ensure that clicking on the map updates both the plot and the sidebar input correctly. This will provide a seamless user experience. Fun fact, did you know that the first interactive maps were created in the 1960s? They were a far cry from the dynamic maps we use today, but they paved the way for what we have now. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using the input.mapMarkerClick function along with update select input. This allows you to update the station selection based on clicks on the map. They also added functionality to remove stations from the selection. It's important to note that the functionality may be affected by the pop-up event. The user mentions that the input.mapMarkerClick only works when clicking the outer circle, not the inner one, which they suggest could be a bug. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your app after making changes. It helps catch any issues early and ensures everything works smoothly. And there you have it. You should now be able to click on points in your leaflet map to update your plot and sidebar input. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Shiny app functionalities.